I'm John Ward from Header Front Repairs in Swan Hill. We are specialists in repairing, restoring, refurbishing header fronts of all sizes and shapes, all ages. Whether they be draper, whether they be tin fronts or table augers, we can repair them and refurbish them all. We specialise in structural repairs. We don't do maintenance. We structurally reorganise the machine so that you can do your maintenance on it and give you the service that you expect it to do. Our quoting is accurate. We don't add on after the event, so that you can have confidence in making a business decision after we've given you a quote. At Header Front Repairs, our engineers are well experienced in the refurbishment of header fronts. We have had some 8 years of some of our staff, and of course right now we are ramping up the number of fronts we're doing. Besides that, I as a farmer for the last 50 years have had a lot of experience in the field, so I understand the problems that you have, and I've been over these many times. We believe our customer service brings return business. We need to do the right thing, give you fair value for your job, and we consider that to be good customer service. I'm John Ward from Header Front Repairs. Thank you for watching the video, but if you need more information, go to our website headerfrontrepairs.com.au or give me a call personally on my mobile number of 0418 525 942.